for this? Are you down for this? If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon.
Project English Part 1. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Shinta Nur Septi with name 1924001 namesake from the Department of Information System, Faculty of Engineering and Informatik, Bina Sarana Informatik, University Sukabumi. Okay everyone, what we'll discuss this time? And yeah, today I like a little a presentation about computer. What is the computer? But before that, do you know what a computer is? Okay, first of all, I would like to discuss my opinion about computer. In my opinion, computers are one of the important needs that make human life easier anywhere and anytime. Yup, let's say computer. The first computer was invented in 1822 by Carlos Babbage. Computer come from a Latin computer, which means to calculate. So, a simple definition of a computer is a tool that can perform arithmetic calculation. So, what do you think a computer is? What are a function of a computer? It is for playing games, watching, browsing, or doing assessment. Okay, let's discuss it. Definition: computer. A computer is a machine that can take input, process it, and provide output result according to the instruction. In the simple term, computer can process information, storage data, and present results that can help user in various activities from writing, calculating, designing, etc. And yups, next, computer system element. In order for a computer to be used, it must have a computer system. The computer system includes hardware, software, and brainware. Okay, find out more. Let's learn together. First, hardware. Hardware is a physical component of a computer that can be seen and touched, such as keyboard, scanner, processor, printer, speaker, hard disk, flash disk, etc. Next, second, software. Software is a program that provides instruction to the hardware. Software doesn't have a physical form like hardware. Software includes 1. Operating system such as Microsoft Windows, Linux, macOS, and etc. 2. Application program such as Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Windows, web browser, etc. 3. Programming language such as C, C++, Java, SQL, etc. 4. Auxiliary programs such as data recovery and antivirus. And last, brainware. Brainware is a user or person who operates computer device such as computer operator, programmer, web developer, graphic designer, etc. Okay, what we need to know, these three elements are a connected unit. Hardware without software will not function, and hardware will not interact with software without brainware operate on the device. Next again, computer component. First of all, do you know what components are in a computer? And yup, let's say the following are the main components in a computer includes 1. Central processing unit, 2. Random access memory, 3. Internal storage, 4. Input process output device. Okay, find out more. Let's learn together. Okay. First, central processing unit. Central processing unit, known as a brain of a computer. The central processing unit is responsible for executing instructions and processing data. Secondly, random access memory. Random access memory stores data temporarily while a computer is working and speed up computer performance. And third, internal storage. Internal storage such as hard disk or SSD that store long-term data. Okay, last, input process and output device. One, input device is a component that provides instruction to the computer, such as keyboard, mouse, scanner, etc. Two, processing device is a component that processes user instruction, such as central processing unit, random access memory, motherboard, and etc. 3. Output device is a component that displays the result of a computer processing, such as printer, speaker, etc. Next, types of computer. First of all, what are the type of computer? And to find out more, let's learn together. Okay, computer come in many different type and size, including PC or personal computer, desktop, laptop, tablet, server computer, etc. 1. PC or personal computer. PC or personal computer is a computer used for individual needs such as processing data, browsing the internet, etc. 2. Desktop computer. A desktop computer is a computer designed for use one location, such as office or home. 3. Laptops. Laptops are portable computers that very flexible and can be used anywhere. 4. Tablet. A tablet is a small computer with a touch screen as a physical device for like activities. 5. Server computer. A server computer is a computer that is used to manage and serve other computers in a network. Okay, that's all for this presentation. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye. Project English Part 2. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me, Shinta Nur Septi with NIM 192400196 from the Department of Information System, Faculty of Engineering and Informatik, Sarana Informatik, University Sukabumi. Okay, let's move to Task 2. So, what will we discuss this time? Okay, in this video, we'll discuss about hardware. And but before going into the hardware discussion, do you know what hardware is? Okay, to find out more, let's learn together. And let's say, as we know, hardware is device that's a computer. Hardware include physical device that support the operation of a computer system. And this time we will discuss about computer system. To find out more, let's learn together. And definition hardware. Okay, first of all, we will discuss the definition of hardware. Hardware is device in a computer in the form of physical component, can be seen and touched by human sense. Okay, in a computer system, hardware can connect and interact between brainware and software. So, it can be said that hardware is very important for a computer system. Next, hardware function. Okay, what are the functions of a hardware? Okay, find out more, let's learn together. Okay, the main function of hardware includes 1. Processing data and information of a computer system. 2. Receiving output information that can be received by the user. 3. Can store information and data. 4. Can interact between user and computer system. Okay, type of hardware. Did you know, in general, hardware consists of various categories, include input device, processing device, output device, and storage device. Okay, to find out more, let's learn together. Okay, first, input device. Hardware as an input device is a tool that functions to input data and give instruction to the computer. Input device include mouse, microphone, barcode scanner, etc. Okay, mouse. Mouse is device to move and adjust the cursor in the computer screen. Microphone. Microphone is device to convert sound into input signal from the computer. Barcode scanner. Barcode scanner is a scanning device that can read barcode to convert barcode into data via a computer. And secondly, processing device. Hardware as a processing device function to process data from input device to run process in the computer system. Processing device include central processing unit, graphic processing unit, motherboard, etc. Okay, central processing unit. Central processing unit is the part carried out all instruction carried out in the computer. Graphic processing unit. Graphic processing unit is device used for graphic processing such as 3D design or gaming. Motherboard. Motherboard is a computer device that functions as a place for internal device. Next, third, output device. Hardware as an output device function to display information and print the result of data processing. Output device include monitor, printer, speaker, etc. Okay, monitor. Monitor is device that function to display the result of computer data processing. Printer. Printer is a device that prints physical copies of digital data and from a paper media. Speaker. Speaker is device that produces sound from a computer such as music, conversation in film, etc. And last, storage device. Hardware as a storage device function to store data on a computer. Storage device include hard disk, flash disk, optical disk, etc. Okay, hard disk. Hard disk is device to store permanent data in a disk-ROM. Flash disk. Flash disk is a portable data storage device with a USB connector to be connected to a computer or other media. Optical disk. Optical disk is a digital optical disk data storage such as CD and DVD. Okay, finish. Maybe this is enough of my video about computer and hardware presentation. Sorry if there are any mistake. Well, thank you. Thank you for today. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you. Bye-bye.